In this one I'm going to show you how to do a 3D rose. I'm going to do quite a big one so that you can see the action of how I control my beads. So I'm picking up two colours, my white and my red, taking the liquid out and placing it on the nail. Now instead of bringing your brush back to a point, you're going to flatten it so that it turns into more of a knife. And that'll also take the liquid out of it as well. Wait for your bead to turn into a matte consistency. Press it to see if it's ready. If it bounces back, leave it a bit longer. Okay, you're going to knife straight into that bead and then you're going to spread it out. So you get a nice crescent shape. Now you can bring your brush back to a point. Keeping your brush in the centre of the flower, which is going to be here. You point of your brush in the centre of the flower. Press that petal out. It doesn't want to be perfectly round on the edge, it wants to have shape and movement to it. So it's not perfectly round here, it has got shape to it. Same again, two colours. Liquid out the back of the bead. Place it on. Brush back to a knife. See if it's ready. If it bounces back, it's not quite ready. Okay, you're going to knife straight into it and spread it out. Brush back to a point. Point of the brush stays in the centre of the flower. Press that petal out with the belly of your brush. Same again, two colours, take the liquid out, place the bead on. Brush into a knife. Wait for the right consistency of your bead. Knife straight into it. Spread it out. Now this bead's going to overlap the last two petals. Brush back to a point. Point of the brush stays in the centre of the flower. Press that one out. Now we're going to do the same again, but we're going to come inside this rose now. Brush into a knife. Press into that petal, see if it's ready. Knife into it, spread it out. Point of the brush stays in the centre of the flower. Use your belly of your brush to press it out. And that sits just inside that last one there. Now we did 3 petals on the outside, we're going to do 2 on the inside. Brush into a knife. Wait for that bead to be ready. Knife into it and spread it out, but not too much. We don't want these centre ones to go as wide as the outside ones. Brush into a point. Press that petal back. Then onto your centre bead. Smaller bead, 2 colours, take the liquid out, place into the centre. Now bring your brush back to a point. Wait for that bead consistency to turn matte. '90-degree angle, create a donut, press the sides out. Just going to add a couple of leaves to finish off this design. Remember with your leaves to get that point there straight away and then let it set. Press them leaves out like they were petals. And use your tool to press your veins in. And that's your rose done.